in 2007. We are not only an LCD digital signage solution provider for all kinds of LCD kits such as LCD panel, monitor driver boards, Android boards, video wall board, etc., but also a manufacturer of LCD commercial advertising display. We are a reliable OEM and ODM partner for worldwide companies on commercial LCD advertising displays for more than 12 years. We have 12 years professional experience on design, research, development, and produce of LCD and LED displays. We have senior technical staff to support different customers' project requirements. They are applied to supermarkets, hotels, retail outlets, banks, metro stations, leisure centers, schools, hospitals, and more. We get the ISO 9001, CE, FCC certification. We own 1,500 industrial park in Huizhou City, which is mainly divided into several areas such as office, technical room.
This is our production line. Each of our products will go through strict incoming inspection, automatic assembly, aging testing, and finished product inspection. Our main products are all kinds of smart Android tablets, smart shelf displays, LCD advertising players, digital signage, LCD video wall, and open frame displays with metal and high-end aluminum. Company lies in our innovative design, expert engineering, personalized customer service, and competitive pricing. We work closely with our customers and always focus on our customers' requirements and needs. Our professional knowledge and high quality of work make our company your best choice. And we continuously work hard to improve our product and improve service quality to help more customers. We will provide the best service for our customers. Looking forward to cooperating with you. Contact us.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.